Hey everybody, how's it going? So today is going to be a quick little tool haul. I went to Lowe's, picked up some oil. I want to just discuss the oil with you guys real quick, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so try to turn this light on, maybe it'll help a little bit. Not really. Alright, so I picked up some oil. This is the high mileage 10W40 GTX Castrol oil. They were $22 a bottle for these 5-quart bottles, and then these little 1-quart bottles were $5 a piece. I grabbed 4 of them, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20 for 1 quarts. And the reason I picked up the 1 quarts is I'm gonna trying to find out if there's an oil leak in the 2000 limited that was just picked up, 2000 limited 4Runner. It had a massive oil leak when I grabbed it, but I'm noticing a lot of things about that truck that it looks like whoever was messing with it before the dealer got it just didn't know what they were doing, because it had a massive oil leak out of the valve covers. It was puking quarts in, 30-mile drive. Come to find out that all the valve cover bolts were loose. I tightened all those bolts back up to their torque spec of like 15 to 20 foot-pounds, somewhere in there. I think it's like 17.2 foot-pounds exactly is what's required. But I just all hand tightened them down, checked them with the torque wrench and everything, and it was so bad it was puking the oil all over the transmission, all over the bell housing, all over the back of the block, all over the frame, front of the frame, the back of the frame where the engine is, all over the front diff, the steering rack and pinion, you name it, there was oil all over it. And I went under that truck with that DeWalt 550 PSI power cleaner, and it got 90% of the oil off. You can actually see that the transmission is silver now. The back of the engine, you can tell, is actually silver. It's not black. Since I tightened all the valve cover bolts, I haven't found another leak. The transmission tube bolt was also loose, so I'm finding lots and lots of bolts that are loose on this truck, this 2000 limited 4Runner. But I did pick up some more oil. These are the 10W40. I love Castrol. I've noticed my SR5 absolutely loved Castrol, and it loves Pennzoil. Mobil 1 in these older 4Runners, it just causes leaks. You put 6 quarts of Mobil 1 and you will be losing all of that oil in less than a week. Just Mobil 1 has had that major problem with vehicles. Older vehicles and oil 1 never mix. Mobil 1 for some reason. Even modern vehicles that have put, people have put Mobil 1 in them have leaked also. So I'm going to be getting the SR5 back up and running. So I have enough. If you do, this is 6 quarts and 6 quarts. 6 quarts here, 6 quarts here. 1 for the SR5, 1 for the limited when I get the SR5 back up and running. And these two are, I'm going to throw into the limited just to make sure that if there is an oil leak, I could put some oil in it. I haven't. I seen an oil leak since I tightened the bolts for the valve covers. They were really loose. They were loose enough that you could just turn them with your fingers. That's how loose they were. Like not even 1 or 2 foot-pounds, if that. I do have a bunch of oil over here as well. These are all the gas cans that were out of the SR5 that I was transporting when I got into the truck accident. But here is some Quaker State 10W40, high mileage. I've never used Quaker State, but these bottles were $7 for a 5-quart, and I picked them up. And I grabbed at Target recently when I was going to pick up that 2000 limited 4Runner. I picked up single quarts from Target to match these. I have a bunch of filters here. I got a bunch of K&N from Walmart. I have a bunch of high performance K&N from O'Reilly's, and I have a bunch of Toyota filters in there. So I got plenty of filters. Since now there's 2 4Runners, I have plenty of filters to do oil changes on both. I do have a bunch. I have like 3 or 4 of these in my barn. I have a huge stock of oil for service calls, as well as I stock up on oil for my personal rigs all the time. But just a quick little tool haul. So this 22 a piece for the 5-quart. That's $44, and then $20. They were like $5.97, so they were like $6 a piece for these guys. So $6, $12, and $24. So about 70 something dollars. It was like, I think it was like 82 bucks with tax or something like that. Let me see, I have the receipt right here, I believe. Was $66.88 plus $5 in tax, so it was $72.10 for all of this oil, which is not bad. Especially to make sure that the new vehicle that was just bought doesn't have any issues. I tightened the valve covers about 6 or 7 days ago, maybe a little longer. It's been running for about that week, no issues. The old steering rack I took out was completely black. The new one I put in is still brand new. It doesn't have any drips of oil on it. It's not leaking any ATF since I put all the new components in it. But that's what I picked up, guys. Just a quick video. I've always had amazing luck with Castrol. My favorite Castrol is actually the Magnatech. But they don't make the Magnatech in 10W40 anymore for some reason. I don't know why. But the high mileage I've used in my SR5 before. This stuff is great as well. If you guys have any questions about oils and which oils I prefer either Castrol brand or not Prestone, but I said it earlier. Castrol brand or Pennzoil. That's what I have right here. Pennzoil high mileage 10W40. I've also used a lot. I used the full synthetic from Pennzoil, which they used to carry in 10W40. Now they do not carry the full synthetic in 10W40 for some reason for Pennzoil. It looks like any vehicle that takes 10W30 or 40 is being turned into a high mileage, and they're no longer doing full synthetics. They're now doing synthetic blends is what it looks like to me. But, you know, it is what it is. Pennzoil and Castrol are my 2 favorites, especially for 2000 Toyota 4Runners. 2005 Excursion, I use Royal Purple, which actually you can't get at Walmart anymore in the 5W20. They don't carry that at Walmart anymore now for some reason, because Walmart used to carry the 5-quart Royal Purple 5W20 for like 24 bucks, which was amazing because Royal Purple 5 quarts are usually like 40-50 bucks. And Walmart doesn't carry that 5W20 anymore either in Royal Purple. So I'm probably going to be switching the Ford back to, you know, Castrol or Pennzoil because it likes that oil as well. But Royal Purple makes some great oils. I use it in diffs, transmissions, engines, power steering systems, as long as you get the variant of the royal purple that says it's for power steering. I've bought probably 20 or 30 gallons of ATF. A royal purple ATF, you get them in the 5-gallon totes, and the ATF is amazing as well. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick little discussion. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I also do, down here, also do have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, which is much appreciated if you use it. I do save some money when you guys use it. All links are affiliate links. I do get a commission for them when you use them. All money that I get on the channel goes back into making the channel better. These were not bought with channel money. YouTube did not pay for these at all. I bought them myself. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!